this year, along with IFI, we are also going to be executing some waves. Let me elaborate on that. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India will organize the first edition of World Audio, Visual and Entertainment Summit, WAVES, from November 20th to 24th in this year, 2024. And this landmark event will be hosted in Goa, in collaboration with the Government of Goa and Entertainment Society of Goa. The ESG will be the nodal agency to execute the same. To cut it short, फकत एक सांगूंक सोदता की along with IFI, this year IFI every year is held between 20th of February, November till 28th of November. So 20th of November to 24th of November, this WAVES also, World Audio, Visual and Entertainment Summit will be held. And the best of this, part of this is the best of entertainment, everybody from entertainment and media industry will be here in Goa. And आमच्या Honorable Prime Minister चड करून देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. He has seen the capability of our Honorable CM. We have been hosting IFI from the year 2004. आणि 20 वर्सां जाली after completion of 20 long years of hosting this IFI. He has given this holding of these waves will be another feather in the cap of our Honorable CM. And I'm sure the entire team of ESG will work hard to see that it becomes a great success under the able leadership of our CM.